Namaste, my name is Jay Sharan. Today I am going to say about structure and functions of the eye. The human eye is an organ which reacts to light and pressure. As a sense organ, the eye allows vision. A normal eye looks like this. The parts of human eye. The front part of the eye includes iris, the colored part, cornea, a clear dome over the iris, pupil, the black circular opening in the iris that lets light in. Sclera, the white of your eye. This is the eye anatomy. Iris, the colored part. It is the colored part of the eye. It controls light entering. Its function is to control the amount of light entering the eye. Cornea, the transparent covering of the front of the eye. It allows for the passage of light into the eye and function as a fixed lens. It allows for the passage of light into eye and it also focuses the light. Pupil. It is a black hole in iris in which the light enters. Its function is to increase or decrease the pupil size, which is controlled by iris muscles. Pupil expansion. When the eye needs more light to enter, when it is dark, the pupil gets larger, allowing more light to enter the eye. Pupil contraction. When the eye needs less light to enter, when it is very bright, the pupil gets smaller, allows less light into the eye. Sclera, a tough white skin made of tissue that covers all of the eyeball except cornea. Its function is to support eyeball and provides attachment to the muscles. Retina, the internal cell membrane which contains light receptive cells, which are rods and cones. It converts light to electrical signals which can be read by the brain. Its function is to converting the light waves to electrical signals. Optic nerve, which transmits the electrical impulses from retina to the brain. It creates a blind spot. The brain takes inverted image and flips it so we can see. Its function is to transmit electrical signals from retina to the brain. The eye has many parts that must work together to produce clear vision. The sclera or white part of the eye protects the eyeball. The pupil or black dot at the center of the eye is a hole through which light can enter the eye. The iris or colored part of the eye surrounds the pupil. The refractive structures. These structures bend the light so that a clear image is produced. They are ears, cornea, lens. Lids and lashes. Their main function is the protection of the eye. They also help to distribute tears which wash and lubricate the eyes. Thank you. Have a great day.